Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing some Lost Kitties from Series 1. Okay, so first we're going to open this one. That just opened right up. Okay, and we have the little guide. So we'll see what we got. It's got the white dough, so it's going to be one of these few. Open the package. Okay, so there's the kitty in the bag. Okay. Oh, it's this one. Ooh. This is what it looks like now. Let's see. I think its name is Memes. I think it's this one. But I'll keep going because a little sticker will show you which one it is. If I can find it. All this Play-Doh. Says, who? Me? Me. So yeah, it's probably Memes. Looks like dough over here. And then inside the dough, there's this bottle with the pepper on it, so it's probably like a hot sauce. And then there's this purplish pink ice cream cone. That's pretty cool. So that's all from this one. They should have the same guide, so you can just use the same one. And this one is also in the white color. That one came off easy. Why is it so hard to get out? This one has like string around it. So this one is Thimble. And then in the dough we have a little litter box scooper. And I think this is a paintbrush. And then meme sticker. And it says, "No, I hasn't seen your knitting." It's kind of got stuff all over it, but there it is. So these are the two that we got. Okay, so we're going to open this one. It should open like that. Ooh,
Okay,
you got
so
a gold
this
one.
Has the brown logo. Struggling. Okay. Gee, there's a lot of it. Okay. So we got the cat's little packaging. You open it. I need scissors. Okay, I'm just gonna use scissors because I'm not gonna be able to open it. Okay, so I got. Okay, so it looks like I got Eugene from there, and I wonder what his little thing is. Okay, let's keep going. Get the other. What's that there? Okay. This one. Looks like we got a hot dog. And then Okay, and then we also got a guitar. A guitar. So Eugene likes hot dogs and guitars. And then here is okay. Okay. It's still covered. But it says deal with it. Okay, so I'll go to the next one. And then we'll be in this one. Ooh, this one's pink. Okay, so let's turn it out of there. Okay, so here is the package with the cat in it. And we're gonna just cut it with scissors. Okay, so, ooh. That. It looks like we got Flufferton down here. Okay. Flufferton. Okay. And here's one thing says IR, just a fluff. And then we got a hairbrush and a pickle. Okay, so we're gonna go on to the next one. Let's see what's in this one. Okay. So, I'm get it out there. Okay, so this one is also brown. Okay, so we got the package on it. Let's see who it is. Okay. Ooh, it's a cat in a fishbowl. Who is that? Oh, it looks like it's Bowie. Okay, so what else did Bully come with? Okay, ooh, okay, so it says I ate it. Because he ate the fish. And it comes with okay. It came with, I think this is a donut. Yeah, it's a donut. It's coming in all this plate. So, and then we also got, looks like a shell. And there, you show.
Okay, so we unboxed all 5 of them, and then I'll show you which ones came with what. This is Thimbles, and he came with the scoop, the paintbrush, and then the sticker that says, "No, I hasn't seen your knitting." And then the next one we got is Memes, and he came with the ice cream cone, a bottle of hot sauce, and this sticker that says, "Who? Me? Me, me, me?" And then we got Eugene. And Eugene came with the guitar, the hot dog, and the sticker that says deal with it. And then we got Flufferton, who came with a hairbrush and a pickle. And then his sticker says, I are just a fluff. And then the last one we opened was Bowly, which came with the donut, the shell, and the sticker that says, I aided it. And then that's all the ones we got today. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give a like and a comment.